and is the most wonderful place to go and learn. And I always said to my students, if you want to be professional, you have to act like a professional. You cannot just take one class and that's it, you know it all. You have to experience this work from many different peoples, from different aspects, different ways, and then you create your own work. That's exactly what I did. But I'm teaching the relationship code. It is in my heart. The relationship code I developed it many years ago. Again, I developed it by practicing and practicing and practicing. And then I found out through my whole work, I mean, tell me one thing that it does not relate it to relationships, and doesn't have to be only relationships with your partner, can be with your children, can be relationship with yourself, specifically with ourselves, relationship with smoking, relationship with eating, relationship with drugs, relationship with all that, and you can name it anything. So once we change that relationship, and I will do a demo at the convention, and usually I do a demo, helping people to release their relationship issues, and specifically with our childhood issues, with our mothers and fathers, because mother and father equals you. If you put a 50% in one and 50% the other is equal to you. So if we clear those relationships, 20%, 30% of our issues are gone. And then we any trauma we have, any issues we have, we work on them through this relationship process. And once you start clearing the relationships between people, everybody's feeling stronger. Once you change that, everything changes. We have to look at our beliefs. We have to look at the emotions we carry, and what kind of emotions and beliefs and feelings we have towards certain things. And if we change that energy there, and it's very simple and easy to do it through the techniques that I'm teaching, all of a sudden we have a better life. We change people's anger, hurt, pain, and all those emotions. We just let them go, and through those techniques that I'm teaching, and all of a sudden the people improve their lives and their health. I mean, health issues, they can sometimes even physical issues can change if you help the emotional issues.